Alright, welcome to another trade recap of today, or most likely yesterday and today. Um, we're starting with yesterday. So we had news right there, which gave us like 140, 135 points. After that, we chopped around, which was pretty predictable that we were going to chop. And for opening, we didn't even do shit. We traded a little bit higher, which would have gave us or would gave us an AMD setup right there. I didn't took it. I slept through opening, unfortunately. Um, but yeah, whatsoever. So let me show you. As I said, we have accumulation here. We manipulate. What do we manipulate above or into? We have this. First of all, we are on the 15-second. Okay, what just happened with my chart? No. Where the fuck? Oh my gosh. Hello? Okay, hold up. Alright, so what do we manipulate into or above? We have this swing high, okay? Which is also a swing on the 1 minute. We trade above it, okay? And we trade into this 1 minute order block that I marked out here, okay? Hold up, okay, perfect. What do we have? If you look closely, we have a turtle soup, okay? So we trade up into this order block, we came down, come back up, sweep this high, and zoop this high as our turtle soup, okay? 50% mark could have been your entry, with a stop loss of like 10 points, would have looked like this, okay? And then we dumped, basically. If you didn't took it from here, you could have waited until we trade back into this order block right here that we formed, okay? We trade up from this order block, we trade down. Set a limit at the body of the opening of this order block, okay, which would have been here. Set your limit there. Stop loss above this would have been, yeah, like I think 17 points or something, right? 16 points, okay. You could have also used the body, which would have gave you 13 points, okay? I mean, these 2 or 3 points are not that important, but still, it's 3 points, okay? Yeah, what have we done? We dumped, basically, like, bro, in 15-second, holy 50-point candle here. If you missed it right there, you could have entered off of the 50% mark of this fair value gap right there. Would have gave you still 40 points. Oh my gosh, bro, what is my chart doing? Okay, sorry. So my chart loaded again. As I said, you could have used the 50% here. Also, stop loss could have been above this high, which would be 20 points, okay? It's a lot, but I think better than missing out. So just in a case like this, just like risk less in like instead of doing like 5 minis, just do like 2 or 3 minis, okay? That's what I mean. Yeah, for your TP, you could have used 830 opening price, 130 points. These equal lows, 137 points. These lows here all to the left, okay, around 160 points. And what I would have targeted, or what you could have targeted, is also of this huge pump here to the left. There's a big 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, could have used this as well. All right, where we at? Where we at? There you go. Yeah, that's actually it for yesterday. AMD, okay, we manipulated into and above the swing. Turtle soup entry, order block 15-second. Okay, I think it was a bullshit day. I can't lie. Price action was bullshit. You see it right there. Okay, but still, we could have get an entry. So yeah, that's actually it for yesterday. Let's come into today because today was pretty nice. So we have a huge accumulation here. Okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But wait, okay, so accumulation, and we're under 15 second. We trade under this low and this low, okay. And then we form a turtle soup by forming the swing low, and we have this 15-minute order block. I will show you something for the 15-minute order block in a second. Hold up. I was like, okay, I actually want shorts because what actually is this? I wanted shorts because we were bearish, but this was a beautiful long setup, okay? And I'm showing you why. So we formed this turtle soup, okay? And I was like, okay, if we manipulate down here, okay, and really trade higher for our distribution, we're getting this turtle soup. So I had a limit buy at the 50% mark of this 15-minute order block, which got perfectly hit. We have drawdown of 1 point, basically. And I only risked 5 points here because I don't want us to trade lower. Why? Why should market trade lower here? Okay? So I'm pretty sure that's why I risked only 5 points. For my TP, I only took this high because, as I said, I wanted shorts, which gave me 103 points. Pretty nice. But now let's cook for the short, okay? Go in the 5 minute. What do we have here? Accumulation. Yes, we have this big ass opening candle here and this wick, but where did we manipulate with our body into? Above this high, above this fair value gap, into this order block. Okay, so as I saw that with the 100 points when my TP got hit, I was like, bro, I can ping pong this perfectly. Okay, so what did I did? I waited. Oh my gosh, I'm by the way looking for my sport bets. Okay, it's actually going pretty good. So sorry. Yeah, as I said, we traded into this order block. We can ping pong NQ. Okay, that's what I did. I waited for us to trade higher into this order block. This was on the 5 minute here, which was beautiful. I didn't took the 15-minute order block because it gave us just too much range. Okay. Yeah. Then onto the 1 minute. As I said, we have also this little order block here. Okay, which would have gave us a more clearer range as well. And you see, we traded barely into it. I had wait, 15 second. Oh my gosh, again. There we go. So, what do we have here? Oh my gosh. We have this fair value gap here on a 15 second. Okay, and we reject off of it. Okay, so as you can see, if you I had I pressed sell right there, but I get filled like I think it was at 17. Well, 17 there. I got filled here. I pressed sell here, but I got filled here. Okay, I don't know. It's just like things. What's it called, bro? I don't even. Bro, what the fuck is my chart doing? I'm deleting this shit ass. Oh my gosh. So if not, you would have had like if you're too uncomfortable to enter here, just wait a second. What do we have here? A beautiful fair value gap. Boom, short. Okay. 18 points stop loss is a lot. You can use the high of this candle, 14 points. And then, bro, hold until like I wanted 400 points, which didn't get hit, unfortunately. But I closed for, bro, my chart. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Bro, this internet connection. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. So I wanted 400 points, which didn't get hit, as I said before. Yeah, that was my. Didn't have level. I just wanted 400 points, but I closed it out for 350 once we came under all of these. Where is 350? Like anything, anything right here, I closed out. Okay. Because we manipulated under all of these lows and was like, okay, we could retrace higher here, so I closed it out. But yeah, that's actually it for today. We had two beautiful trades, so I catched like 450 points. Um, Pretty nice. I love it. Can't lie. Um, the next thing I'm gonna do is like cancel my fucking live account and this bitch ass. Bro, what the fuck is this? Okay, whatsoever. Um, I think everything should be clear. It was two beautiful AMD setups. We had like a fake manipulation here, more or less. Okay. Um, Beautiful trades, beautiful trends. I had another long right there. Yeah, right there. But I got stopped out. Um, Once we came under this low. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Like I was up 150 points. Bro, what the fuck was I doing? Ah, whatsoever. Um, but yeah, I think that's it for today. Um, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments or in my Discord. Um, yeah, and with that, have a nice evening, and we will see us tomorrow.